This world is so amazing, so full of wonder, so full of beauty, and so full of people. People who need all kinds of things from ecosystems: food, energy, livelihoods, purpose. How will we provide for all of these needs? For wildlife, for clean air, for clean water, for safety, for health. Keeping the world beautiful, making it just, and making it sustainable are the mission of the Department of Environmental Studies and Sciences. We pride ourselves on exposing our students to the environment through hands-on experiences. Field trips are a vital part of our curriculum. ESS students learn from environmental professionals, get their hands dirty, and see the world up close. One of our signature experiences is our Baja California field course, where we take students to Mexico for a 10-day natural history expedition to explore the subtropical desert and marine environments. In other courses, our students learn GIS, statistics, and practical skills employers desire, getting trained on the latest equipment. In our capstone class, students work in teams to tackle real-life environmental problems on behalf of community partner clients. Some students do intensive research with faculty members, collecting data and presenting results at scientific conferences. They also get more real-world experience by completing a required internship, and some work with our campus sustainability program. These experiences make our students highly competitive for national awards programs like the Udall, Fulbright, and Gates Awards. We've also boasted Santa Clara's last 2 Rhodes Scholars. Wherever our students go, whatever they study, in ESS we're always asking them the same question: how will you change the world?